Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box for the month of June. I am like so excited for this box, mainly because for the main big thing is this palette. This from Alamar Cosmetics, which is Gabby MUA's brand. Ever since Kat was talking about this on her channel and showing the colors off, I mean, look at those colors. Oh, so beautiful. But yeah, ever since seeing those colors and the way they looked, I just could not wait to get this palette. I had actually almost ordered it before I found out that it was going to be in this month's Boxycharm. So I'm kind of glad that I didn't, but I wouldn't have been mad if I would have ordered it, because that just means I would have had an amazing backup of an amazing palette. So this is the very first thing that I'm pulling out for this month's box, and it retails for $28. It features 8 highly opaque shades. With basically it's the beauty and the culture of Cuba. Obviously it's got pearls, it's got intense metallics, it's got some great creamy mattes. So we are going to be using this today on our eyes. Now I have already done my face, and I did use, this is the other thing that came in this month's box, was these, it's like a set of 3-piece Flawless Complexion from Luxie, which Luxie is my all-time favorite brush brand out there. Like, I have so many of the Luxie brushes and that I use constantly. They are my all-time favorite. Now I didn't use the Precision Foundation brush. That was the only one I didn't use, because not very often that I put foundation on with a brush, but I did use the tapered highlighting to put on my highlight today, and I did use the dual fiber powder to set under my eyes and to set my face with. So, and that retails for $42. I mean, right off the bat, this alone is what your box was worth. Actually, more than what your box is worth. And then on top of that, you've got $42 worth of brushes. Amazing. Let's see here, and I'm gonna go over everything in the box, and then we're gonna try everything one. The other thing in the box was from Sol de Janeiro, which is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've already opened this up and used this today. This stuff smells so good. Like, I want to eat it. It smells so good. I've heard really great things about the Bum Bum Cream. I've never got to use it before, so I am excited to try it out and see how well it works, and maybe end up buying the big box of it in the end, which it does come with a 20% off code on the back of your little pamphlet thing that comes in the Boxycharm. So this retails for $10. Obviously it's not a full size, it's like a travel, I guess, sample size kind of thing, but really awesome. Let's see here. The other thing that I'm kind of excited about, but I suck at lashes, so we're gonna see how well I can do these today, is from Battington. It's the Monroe Silk Lashes. These retail for $28, and maybe, there we go. That's what they look like. They're really pretty, very soft, and I'm excited to see if I can't get those on my eyeballs today. Let's see here. The other 2 things in the box was from Jonteblu, which is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. I have a couple other things from this brand. I know one of them being a lip liner, which is amazing. And I think I have a pencil from them, like an eyeliner pencil. I'm not quite sure. This one is in the color Charcoal, and it retails for $5. And then the last thing is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, which I'm already a huge fan of. This one is the color Verona, and it retails for $21. I think there was like 3 different options that you would have gotten when it came to lipstick. It would have been either the Ofra or the Galactic, which I really would have liked to have tried the Galactic. I've not tried any of their lip products as of yet, but it just means I'm just gonna have to buy it, is all. But like I said, already a huge fan of the Ofra, so it didn't hurt my feelings that I got this either. So what we're going to do, oh, and this retails for $21 if I didn't mention that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with the eyes. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the color Cocoa Taxi, which is like this nice orangey looking color here. And we are going to put that in our crease. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the Tropico, I'm guessing is how you say it. I don't know. I'm not good at Cuban, so. And we're going to put this in the crease as well, just a little over. It's taking like nothing to blend these colors out. It's really nice. Going back in with the Cocoa Taxi just to get those edges. Alright, and with the smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with the Cafecito, which is this dark brown color here. Then we're going to go back in with that burnt orange just to deepen that up. And as much as I want to use these blues that are in this palette, I'm going to actually save those for another video. I'm going to try and do a look with those, but so right now I'm going to go with the La Costa here, and I'm going to use that as my highlighting for the inner corners. Holy crapola, that's pigmented. And I'm going to bring that up, and like I barely tapped into that color at all. And that is so pigmented. Like that one little bit highlighted my brow bone and the inner corner. Alright, and for all over the lid, I'm going to be using the El Malecon, which is this color right here. And then under the eyes, gonna use that first, that Cocoa Taxi. And then that Tropico. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the Jonteblu eyeliner pencil in charcoal for my waterline and to tightline with. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and go off camera and attempt to put the lashes on, and we will be back in a moment to finish up with the lips. Alright, so I've got the lashes on. Took me a little bit of struggle, definitely on the struggle bus when it comes to lashes, but got them there. I only had to trim them down just a tad bit to get them to fit a little better. But overall, I really do like them. They're very lightweight. I don't feel like they're really on that much. Like I can't feel them as much as I would with most lashes. Hence the reasons why I don't really wear them, other than the fact that they are a biatch to get put on. So the last thing in the bag or the box is the Ofra liquid lipstick in Verona. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that put on now. And it looks like they've changed their applicator. It's a smaller applicator than it used to be. Oh, that is like the perfect nude for my lips. Alright, so there you have it, the finished look using this month's Boxycharm items. Again, I am totally in love with this eyeshadow palette, and I cannot wait to use those blues because they are gorgeous. I mean, just swatching them, I mean, look at those two colors there. Yeah, that's insane. I'm definitely gonna plan on doing a look with those two colors incorporated somehow, some way. I don't know just yet, but it's happening. So the overall month, this month's box is $134. So you are looking at a huge price gap there. I mean, you're paying $21 a month for the box, and for all the items in this month's box to come out to $134, that's over $100 worth more than what your box that you paid for it. So I definitely recommend, if you're not signed up, Boxycharm has really been hitting it out of the park lately with the items they've been putting in it. I mean, this Alamar palette alone speaks wonders. I am so happy that it was actually included in this month's box. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like videos like this where I'm unboxing subscription makeup boxes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you will be reminded the next time I upload. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.